Using your USB document camera as a whiteboard alternative during your Zoom meetings. Once you've started your Zoom meeting, you would just share your desktop in the usual way using the share button in the middle of the Zoom menu at the bottom of the screen, and then take the default to share your entire desktop on the next screen. And now your participants are seeing everything that appears on your computer monitor. To use your document camera, just bring up the software that comes with it that allows you to display what the camera sees on your computer screen. In the case of an IPEVO document camera, the most common type, that would be the IPEVO visualizer software. When that software loads, you'll see on your screen what the document camera is seeing, but the image will be upside down and inverted due to the simple lens in the document camera, but the visualizer software can fix that. Simply go to the little icon with the circle with the two arrowheads in it, which is labeled Rotate and Mirror. Click that tool, and then just drag this green dot around from the 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and your image will be right side up and inverted left to right so that people can see what you're doing on your legal pad or three-dimensional object that you place. And you now have the equivalent of a whiteboard simply by writing on a piece of paper or a legal pad. You can zoom in if you need to get a little bit more, get a little closer to your work. You can also control exposure, resolution, and other basic functions of the software from here. This is an exceptionally useful tool when you're lecturing in Zoom.